Tutorial 91 assembly for CATIA. In the previous tutorial we learned how to position our parts and make constraints and assemble them together, and in this tutorial we will show you the opposite, how to explode your part or separate your parts. So this quick repetition: apply two constraints to do these two parts. Let's first add the contact constraint, this surface, and this surface update, and the coincident constraint, this cylinder and this cylinder update. So we are assembled our parts together with two constraints. So now let's go to the explode to spread these parts, and here you have the explode feature. Just click on it. Okay, yes, so now you exploded your parts. So it is a nice tool that can spread your part in an organized way, and you can take print for that to show your assembly or the part included in your products to the customers or the reports or whatever. Now Ctrl C. Now we return to the original assembly, and again let's apply the explode. Show you if you want to spread one part and keep the other in the same position. Here you can choose a fixed product. Here you activate it and select this part, so part 2 or the cylinder stay fixed and will not be moved. Just this block will just click apply. So you'll notice the cylinder kept in the same place. And here, if you look, you have a slow motion to the explode happen to your part. So it is a nice tool to show more details about your product.